Hello po sa inyo. Welcome po sa aking first play-along video. And today we'll do Broken Vessel, Amazing Grace by Hillsong. Before we start, make sure your ukulele is tuned properly. G, C, E, A. Now, these are the chords that you are going to use for this song. You have G, C, E minor, and D. If you know them already, you may just skip the video to the play along. Pero kung di nyo pa alam, let's break down all of them. Okay, first po sa G. Yan. Nakikita nyo sa chords chart, may number. Yun yung gagamitin nating fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So sa G, you have your 1 and number 2 fingers sa second fret ng ukulele. And then your finger number 3 dun sa third fret. Ganyan siya. Ito tunog. Yan po. And then sa C, only one finger, nandito siya sa third fret, A string. Ganyan ang tunog niya. Sa E minor naman, just imagine a ladder. The shape looks like a ladder kasi. So, ito siya. First, dito sa C string, 4th fret, 3rd fret, and 2nd fret. Sounds like this. Alright. Yung D naman, it looks like an A sa guitar, pero siya ay D sa ukulele. So, all strings sa taas. Nasa 2nd fret lang siya. You're using your... It depends kung anong gusto mong gamitin talaga. Pwedeng ganito, pwedeng ganito. But I find this one easier. Yan. Number 2, 3, and 4. Yan. Alright, so those chords are the chords that we're going to use for Amazing Grace, Broken Vessel. Okay, let's start now. Alright, so now you know the chords of the song, Broken Vessel, Amazing Grace. I-breakdown na natin yung chords niya. Sa intro, we have E minor and G. Okay, 4 times natin siyang gagawin. Sa strumming pattern naman, all throughout the song, I think the most common, or let's say basic strumming pattern ng mga ganitong kanta ay yung down, down, up, 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 down. Yun din yung ginagamit ko sa guitar. Mas madali kasi siya sa lahat ng 4/4 time signature. Tingnan niyo po. Down, down, up, 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 down, 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 up, 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 down. Okay? Usually, buong tawag dito, chords, merong 4 beats, di ba? Down, down, up, 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 down. Yung maganda po sa strumming pattern na to, you may separate 2 beats dun sa first down, down. Yun yung 2 beats niya. Tapos yung up, 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 down, yun naman yung another 2 beats. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, madali siya kung meron pong mga half, yung mga kalahati lang, like mamaya sa may verse. Okay? Now, let's play the intro. Down, down, up, 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 down. E minor. Down, down, up, 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 down. G. Down, down, up, 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 down. E minor. Down, down, up, 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 down. Again. Last na. E minor. Tapos G. Then we go to the verse. Okay, I'm posting the chords chart dito sa gilid ng screen para mas madali nyo pong sorry, my voice. Mas masubaybayan. Okay? Let's go to the verse. Okay. First we have E minor, G, inulit lang, G, again, 3 times natin siya inulit, Tapos, punta tayo sa D, and then E minor, and then D. Okay? So, it goes like this. All these pieces, broken and scattered, in mercy gathered, mended and whole, empty-handed, but not forsaken. I've been set free, I've been set free. Okay, nakita niyo po yun, yung sa may huling I've been set free, we have half E minor and half D. I used down, down dito sa first 2 beats, tas yung last 2 beats, doon ko ginamit yung up, 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 down. So, I've been set free. Okay, going to pre-chorus. Alright? So, yun po yung ating verse. Mamaya may play along, you may skip the video if you feel bored about running through the chords at yung kanta. Just skip the video to play along. Okay? Kasi straight lang yun. Let's go to pre-chorus. Sa pre-chorus, we have C, D, E minor, C, tapos again, C, D, E minor, and C. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. Up, 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 down. I once was lost, but down, down, up, 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 down. Was down, down, up, up, now I see. Okay? Tapos, you go to the chorus. Sa chorus naman niya, chords chart is still here sa right side ng inyong tama ba? Left side ng inyong screen, okay? Pagdating sa oh, I can see it now, G, D, can see the love in your sea, laying yourself down, lang yung chorus niya, G, D, E minor, and C. Tapos go to interlude, same ng intro, G, E minor rather. Yan. Tapos G, E minor, tapos G. Okay, after nyan, doon na tayo sa verse 2. So, ang verse 2, parang pares lang siya nung first verse. You take our failures, you take our weakness, you set your treasure in jars of clay. So take this heart, Lord, I'll be your vessel, the world to see your love in your life in me. Oh, and then we go to pre-chorus. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. My voice. I once was lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see. Chorus. I can see it now. See the love in your eyes, laying yourself down, raising up the broken to life. Okay, so I think nagawa na natin lahat ng ng parts niya. So, ang mangyayari, you just arrange it the way you want, kung saan ka komportable. Tapos, just repeat some parts tulad ng arrangement ng Hillsong. Okay? And, let's go to the play along.